Addition with large numbers. Darren works at a farm shop. He is in charge of ordering the fish for the fish counter. He has written down how much he has purchased over the last 4 days. Monday, £1,434. Tuesday, £948. Wednesday, £1,118. Thursday, £1,544. He needs to know how much he has purchased in total. A good method to use for this is the column method. It works well for small numbers, but it also helps avoid mistakes when you're working with larger numbers. First, line up the numbers down the page. It's important that the digits are all in the correct place value column. Next, you can add up the digits in each column, starting with the rightmost column. 4, add 8, add 8, add 4, equals 24. Write down 4 in the units column and carry the 2 to the tens column. 3, add 4, add 1, add 4, equals 12. Adding the 2 that was carried over makes 14. Write down the 4 and carry the 1 to the hundreds column. 4, add 9, add 1, add 5, equals 19. Adding the 1 that was carried over makes 20. Write down the 0 and carry the 2 to the thousands column. 1, add 0, add 1, add 1, equals 3. Adding the 2 that was carried over makes 5. Write down 5 in the thousands column. In total, Darren has purchased £5,044 worth of fish over the 4 days. To check, Darren could round his figures to the nearest hundred and do a quick approximation. 1,400, add 900, add 1,100, add 1,500, equals 4,900. This is very similar to Darren's answer, so Darren can be quite sure that he has calculated it correctly.